guys, we're back with Kai and me.
You got the intro last time, I gave this time.
Okay, and today we're back and we are the Unspeakable Warriors.
Tyler,
Don't you dare.
stop this video.
No.
Please.
No. How about you follow us?
Right.
And
get the intro
do
this
you
time.
know what's happening in the video?
No.
Of course you do. We just
You're the
talked
one
about
that
it.
plans the video, not me.
Yeah, I planned a video for you and I told you. I'm the leader of the group, that's why. This is my phone. And then I send it. Oh,
It's two idiots just get
it's 420.
420.
Okay, it's 420. Anyways, let's do our quick video. It's gonna be 5 minutes long. Okay, for now, go on then. So, explain about the trees. Explain about nature for me.
The thing that keeps most animals safe.
How?
Well, because some animals do like to feed on leaves. Like
Well-
leaves and grass and things.
Well, do you know the best thing about this is that you can cut this off and make it into paper. We know that's too short. Now you can make paper, and guess what we do with paper? Make ideas for videos.
Well, yeah, but can't you just use the notes app on your phone to do that?
It's better using paper. Don't you dare, because it's harder using it, and it's a cheating way of learning how to write. Okay, anyways, so what? Can I slingshot you? This is a good slingshot.
It's a very big one though.
Yeah, I'll be able to send 5 actual real balls. Okay, so tell us more about these things.
Well, they also give us oxygen, which is what everyone needs to survive.
Well, not everything, except for the sea creatures, right?
Well, yeah, but everyone, every person, every mammal.
Okay, can you explain something to me? How is this leaf made?
It's made by putting some seeds underground.
We should do that sometimes.
Yeah, we should do that in the video.
Can I tell you something? Do you know a good searching at how to plant trees? Ecosia. Have you heard of it?
No?
Good idea. Everyone else use it. But we're not forcing you to, but just, okay.
But
Anyone?
leaves
Yeah?
are how lettuce is made and cabbage.
Mhm.
Lettuce and cabbage can be made out of leaves. This one thing can turn into a bunch of them with a few machines being used.
Yeah,
Yes,
few machines.
I said machines.
Well,
This is a nature video when we're talking about machines. Jeez.
yeah. Anyways, can I tell you something about these trees?
Yes.
Do you know when the world was born?
Yeah.
It was just
It wasn't really both.
It was just a world of really
Really
Hot.
long versions of these.
What did you say? Anyway, it doesn't matter.
Really long versions of trees. Also known as
Yes.
trees. Really long trees.
But no, it's not. Do you know why?
What?
Because
There
at the
was
start of the world, there's only lava in the world,
Oh yeah.
and
the
then
Big Bang.
that is just offensive
What?
because it's not even about the Big Bang.
And you said the start of the world, so I just had to say something about history.
Anyways, can I tell you something? But do you know when it's when? Okay, there used to be a planet called Theo which hit the Earth and got all the water in. Fun facts about space. Even though, but then water came. But how did trees come? That's the question. Do you know that? There wasn't seeds in the water. And how are seeds made? Maybe
I
so.
actually have no clue.
Well, he'll be searching that during the week. Anyways,
Yeah, sure.
Do you know like there's the huge branches? Is that
Yes.
a small addition of sticks?
A small addition of sticks.
Can I tell you a thing that we do on our channel? Live streams and versions. Versions of things like Halloween version, Christmas version, Easter version. We can do an Easter egg on.
Oh yeah, for Easter, when Easter comes.
Yeah. Let's do
So
it.
when it gets to Shocktober, I've decided to call it.
Shocktober.
Yes, Shocktober.
Why do you call it Shocktober?
Because in October you get a lot of shocks because of Halloween coming. So there could be a ghost around the corner. You never
Oh
know
my
what's
goodness,
coming in
that scared
October.
me. Be careful
You
with that
never
rock.
know what's coming in October. So
Yeah.
might as well call it Shocktober.
It looks like it's Shocktober already. Anyways,
Alright, this video's been named Shocktober number 1.
okay. So we're gonna end this video here.
Yep, right here, right now.
It was a bad video, but I get bored of it sometimes. But at first, I want you to vote. Which one was better? Tyler's star video or Kai's star video?
We will never know. Unless you guys vote for it.
Please vote. Please comment in the down below and all the videos. Please. We
Leave
wanna.
a like and comment down below. You can also dislike if you want to. We're okay with that.
Yeah, we actually
We
need
don't-
some subscribers.
We don't want you to dislike, but we will like you if you need to.
Do you know the only?
If the video's not hard.
Do you know the only thing we're aiming for in life is up to now? We're aiming for the silver play button.
Yeah, that's all we really need. And then we know that we've left our mark in history.
Left your mark in history.
Yes.
That's so strange. Anyways,
We've
so
left our mark
we will
in
end this
history
video
when
here.
we've got that.
So we'll end this video here. So comment down below and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. So
Bye!
and goodbye, everyone.